welcome to my channel. I guess I've been out of touch for a while. I've been putting shorts on just to keep my channel rolling. Decorate a lot for Thanksgiving and fall and Christmas and everything else like that, so I kind of got sidetracked. So I'm back and I'm going to be putting on a variety of things. I also remodeled my camper. I might have a couple videos of that, and I'm going to add more soups and some more side dishes for Christmas. And I'm going to put a lot of my side dishes together for this Christmas. I noticed that the corn casserole everyone loved, and the sweet potato casserole, I'm going to put all that together. The broccoli and Velveeta cheese, they're all great dishes for Christmas. All those dishes at Thanksgiving. Christmas I do 2 soups, that's French onion soup, and I also let my kids pick the second soup. A lot of times it might be cream of broccoli, it could be cream of potato soup, Reuben soup, which everybody loves, and I have that on there. That was one of my beginning videos. It's not as put together as my new ones. And then I make a baked ham, which is also on my channel, and I do turkey breast. So I slice both those things down, and I make ham and cheese sandwiches and on a really nice roll. And then I'll do like a layered salad, or I'll do the Greek salad. Layered salad I don't have on my channel, maybe I'll put that on. So anyway, I have a lot of goodies coming, a lot of fun coming. I'll show you, I was sidetracked with my Grinch, which now his legs fell off. And I wanted to do the Grinch thing, which every year I think that, but I never get around to. This year I actually cut out the Grinch out of wood. I'll show it to you, but right at the end his feet fell off, so I'm gluing it back together. And then I'm going to do Cindy, Sue, no, what is it? My grandchildren say Cindy, Lou, Who, and I'm going to do the dog. So a lot of stuff's coming up. I might, change up my channel a little bit with some crafts and some things I made, things that I do. Because I don't only know how to cook, I know how to do other things. I know how to do woodworking, I know how to paint, I know how to decorate. I know how to do a lot of things other than just cook. So come to my channel and see what's in store.